In this video, we will show you how to replace your remote key fob case. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on the job. To replace this, it's going to be very simple overall. You can do it with one simple tool, a flathead screwdriver. Come right in between this area. Give it a little twist. It should pop free. Go ahead and separate that. Once you have that off, continue on by removing the gasket here. Once you have that out of place, continue on to removing this circuit board. Continue on to removing the battery from the backing of the case. Okay, let's get ready to install it into our brand new casing. Take your battery and put it in position. You can see in the backing, there's a carve out that it'll fit perfectly into. Press that in. Now we can continue on to the chip. We'll put that into position into the rubber piece. Take the two parts and place them together, pressing them in and listening for a click. Double check all the way around to make sure that it's completely situated.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.